Hey, what's up everybody? Anthony here. Just pulled up to the beach. It's about 5:20 in the morning, and hopefully we'll get into some halibut today. All right, let's go. All right, so just got out on the water. It's about 6:20. It's pretty breezy this morning. Actually, it's blowing me straight offshore, which is kind of a good thing. It helps me get out while I'm getting all my stuff set up. I learned from the last video that audio was going to be an issue with this GoPro recording. So today I got a mic. I got a little fuzzy mic on top of my GoPro. You can't see it, but I've had it for a while and meant to use it. Never got around to it, but I thought this would be a good opportunity to try it out. So hopefully the audio is better going forward. So right now we're just trying to make some bait. Sitting at about 28 feet, but I'm going to go out deeper, probably to about 40, 50, looking for bait, schools of bait fish. So, all right, let's go. All right, I got a perch and a couple of mackerel. So mackerel a little big, I'm going to try it out anyway. All right, I just checked my poles, lost my bait on one of them, and the other one was all tangled up. So I actually caught a little bit smaller of a mackerel. So I put that on one of them and switched to a new bait on the other one. This weather sucks. It's supposed to die down, but I don't know. It's not looking great right now. I mean, it's just hard to like keep a straight drift without my lines crossing, and yeah, it's just kind of a mess right now. All right, I'm on. I got another bite over here. Oh, it's probably the same. Probably the same fish tangled up in my line. Oh, kind of feels like a shark. Kind of feels like a shark. I don't know. We'll see. Feels kind of sharky. We'll see. Oh, nope, it's a halibut. Holy moly. Oh, he's huge. It's another big one. Oh my stringer's there. Put those strings at. Oh, there it is. I knew I put it under the seat. Oh, I should have done that at the beginning. Gotta be ready. Okay, let's reset here. He's on the stringer, he's not going anywhere. I'm gonna clean up and then I'll dispatch him and bleed him. I just got 2 fishing pole lines, just everything's kind of caught up right now, so he's safe for now. First you gotta take a picture though. Got it. Alright. He's big. He's a big dog. Wow, I think he was barely hooked. I don't even know if I had him hooked in the mouth. He hit super light. I just saw the pole jerk one time, figured I'd check it, and next thing you know, he was on. Jeez. Oh shoot, I actually had him, he was on the other pole. That's why. I reeled him in on the wrong pole. Look at that big dog right there. Hey, don't bite me. Yeah. So today I brought my shark bat. Last weekend I didn't have a shark bat, and I broke my knife trying to kill that halibut. So lesson learned. And never leave home without it. Super stoked right now. I think he's dead. Shark bite. All right, I'm gonna use this opportunity to go back in and reset. I got drifted out to about 80 feet right now. Not where I want to be, so all right, let's go back. So the wind finally calmed down, so I'm not drifting anymore. I'm kind of staying in one spot, which is nice. Able to catch a few more bait fish. What about these mackerel though? They're all right. If nothing else, it'd be good lobster bait. I'll take it home and freeze it. Save it for the winter. I'm gonna switch out this mackerel for a sand dab and see if a big flatfish will eat a small flatfish. I don't see why not. Everybody loves some fresh sand dab. All right. I got a question. See that? Is all that squid? I don't know. I'm trying to learn what squid look like on Fish Finder. So right now I really don't have much clue, other than I've heard they show up as light blue, but just wondering. Got another little guy here, which is the same bait that I caught that halibut on, so we're gonna give him a shot on that pole. Gotta pee. I pee a lot, so it's important to have a good system for me, especially out here. Pour it out, give it a quick rinse, good to go. But I would not recommend drinking out of this if you ever come fishing with me. That's a crazy looking jellyfish. Halibut fishing is just much slower than other forms of fishing. A lot of sitting around, a lot of waiting, a lot of drifting. Just watching my fish finder, trying to decipher what's below me. Most of the bait that I've seen has been mackerel. I mean, I got a bunch already. I don't need any more. I'm trying to look for sardine. Just kind of waiting around, watching my poles, waiting for one to bend. There's a lot of guys out here today. They're all over the place. I got my fish for today, so I'm pretty happy if I don't catch any others, but I take another one. It's time for, you guessed it, another Quest bar. My favorite. Cookies and cream. You can't go wrong with that. Got something. He ain't budging. Ooh. This one could be a shark because it's strong. It's pulling my kayak at this point. It's just heavy, dead weight. It's got to be a shark. I think he's tangled up in my other line now too. I think it's a ray. Stingray. Suckers are strong. Came off. Well, he came off, and I got my hooks back. Little guy's still alive too. Not a good day for him. Good luck out there. Alright, back in the water. Well, that was exciting. First action in a couple hours, so. I just watched Leo catch a halibut. He said it was about 37 inches, so that's pretty nice. Or 35, one of the two. They're still out here, still biting. We'll give it some more time. I just had a hit, but I lost it. Snapped my line. So I pulled my line in and I'm looking at it, and I can tell that it's frayed. So I should have checked it after I caught that ray, and I would have seen that it was frayed, so that way I could switch it out. I had a nice hit right there. Sucks. So I got a shark circling me. I don't know if you can see him. I pulled the halibut out of the water. Might have been looking for a free meal. I think it's a blue shark. I had my fish in the water, I had to pull it out. He actually came up to the boat, started cutting through the water. Probably about 8 foot though. He's a big dog. I don't know where he went. I have my gaffer in case he wants to come back looking for trouble. Not today. Got my gaff. That's what he wanted right here. A free meal. There he is. Oh shit, he's big. I went to go put my GoPro in the water to film it and forgot that I took one of the covers off so that I could plug it in, I guess. Oh shit. Hey, fucker. Yeah, I think he was circling me too because I had my bait bucket in the water. He's just probably smelling like a picnic basket. He just rubbed up against my prop. Okay, we're up. Let's go. Sharks are cool and all, but I ain't trying to get that friendly with them. Freaking had to whack him in the head. He was all scarred up too on his head. I'm gonna head back to where the other guys are at. I'm actually quite far from them. I didn't realize how far I was, but I looked around me and there was nobody out here. I mean, I don't mind, that's usually how it is, but let's just get a little closer to the fellas. Alright, just packing up the kayak before I head in for the day. I like to put everything away, especially make sure I don't have any hooks exposed when I come in, just in case, you know, you never know. Rogue wave comes through and you got a loose hook flying through the air and snags you in the arm, and it's the stuff I have nightmares about. So no hooks for me. All right, let's go. So I just got back, just finished loading up all my gear, my kayak in the truck, and overall I would say it was a pretty good day. Got a pretty big halibut. Actually, it's bigger than the one I caught last weekend, if you can believe it. I just surely can't believe it. We measured it on the beach, it was 43 inches, so I'm pretty stoked on that. Anyway, there was no diving in this video, but still a pretty adventurous day. That shark and the halibut, and also that stingray I caught. There's a couple other missed hits that I had. The one due to the frayed line, that was on me. Man, I wonder if that was a halibut. It's a massive halibut out there swimming around with a hook in its lip. I feel bad about that. He should be in my bag, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and we got to get back to diving in the next one. All right, bye.